Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how I replaced the fill valve on my bathroom toilet. I could not get the water to stop running, so I shut it off, and for a long time I would use my other bathroom. But this time I decided to try and see if I can fix it. I took the lid off and noticed this flush fill valve was spraying water and would not stop running, so I went to Home Depot and purchased another valve. After a little research first on what to do and how to replace it, because the old one was worn out. So pay attention to how full the water is. It's too high and too close to the top of this tube where water returns to the bowl. Later you will see where the water level should be when the toilet refills itself. Okay y'all, I got a running toilet. Kind of whistling and whistling. Right up in here, you can kind of see the water dripping out. Right there. It's kind of overly too full right here. I need to replace toilet fill valve. This is the new one right here. So, let's see if we can do this. As you heard, that toilet was extremely loud. And here I'm getting a feel on how to remove this worn out valve. I'm going to remove this cap so that you can see where the water is actually leaking from, right here. I'll then put the cap back on, and the next clip I'll flush the toilet to remove most of the water. Then I'll shut off the water supply behind the toilet and begin removing only the defective part of the valve, because later you'll see that I will not need to use the whole part of the new valve, just the top half portion and not the base. And in other situations, the entire valve would need to be replaced, but not in this case. This is right here. So this is it right here. There we go. Well, I got it off, and this bottom half of the old valve is still remaining and is in good condition, so I did not bother removing it. As you can see with this brand new valve, the top portion and the base is still attached. And here I'm comparing both valves, and you can see a slight difference in both the valves. The new valve still has the base portion, which I will remove and throw away, and then I'll firmly place only the top half over the remaining base of the existing valve that's left inside the tank. That white plastic circle is a lock ring that I would need to lock into place at the bottom of the base. Now I'll place the new valve over top of the existing base. I can hear and feel it click as I work my way down by firmly pushing it into position. And this little notch needs to be facing towards the right side of the tank. It gets a tiny small refill tube that will travel from left to right into the overflow tube cylinder. Right here, I'm just making sure everything is nice and snug. And it looks like I may be done. And now I'm ready to turn back on the water. It seems to be flowing pretty good. No water falling out. Filling up pretty good. You can see the water right there going inside. Back inside the toilet bowl. Filling up pretty good. Hopefully it stopped. Oh, it stopped perfectly. Under the fill line and not at the top. Did I really just do this? Okay. Let me move this. Okay, that's how that looks. Now let's open the toilet lid up. And let's look and see how it does. From here to here. You don't even hear the sound no more. No noise. It's another flush. That's what it does there. Filling back up there good. And good. Good. No leaks down there. Fill it up pretty good. Back off in there all good. No noise. Listen to that. Wait for it to fill back up. Hearing the fill me up sound. And off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below.